it really deals with me. I'm telling you, see, I feel pained in my heart. If I had fought this thing 2 years ago, maybe now, my life at least would have been better to some extent. This reminds me of when General, my friend, I know he's going to see this video. He gave me a job, a creative director role, a link to apply. Instead of me to apply, because he should have said that I believe I'm not there yet. I believe I'm not there yet. In my head, I believe I don't have the skills yet to be a creative director. Something I can do. My feet. I believe no, I never use that yet. I was supposed to have the interview. But when General asked me, Papa, at the interview, how you do? All I told him was, I failed the interview. It's an interview that I did not do. I told him, the interview was too much. I don't get time. So I feel I'm there, first. He was like, I understand something. I did not apply. Who knows if I apply for that job? For the role of a creative director for an agency. At least by now, I will not be in this situation that I find myself. I'm also telling you, self-doubt, self-doubt is so deep with you. You would think they are doing you, like people are after you, or when share that maybe become it's just in your head. It's just in your head. So it's just in your head that you think you cannot do these things. One of the ways I was able to find is I made sure I was with friends who would encourage me to do the things that I feel I cannot do. Nobody has ever started anything and started well. It's a lie. There's always room for improvement. There's always room to learn, practice, and retest. There is always room for that. The moment I started meeting this set of people, this kind of people in my life, I started learning how they do things. I have a friend. He will take a job that he cannot do. But because he is so confident that he can do it, he will take it, he will give it to me, I will do it. All you need to do to fight self-doubt, this is from my experience, all you need to fight self-doubt is go all out. Irrespective of what you think will be the result. Forget about the result. Damn the result. What is the result do? What the result do? Pay attention. Pay attention to how you are doing it. Pay attention to the process. Make mistakes. Learn from it. Learn, practice, retest. When you do these things, self-doubt, okay, you will build your confidence. You will build your confidence to that level where self-doubt no go get level. Self-doubt. I'm telling you. If they tell me that I will be sitting behind camera and be shooting video, you will doubt them. But because when I want to start, I told my friend, I was like, go fit do am now, you study many things. Even my friends knew I knew many things. And I will still doubt myself that I don't know these things. I will doubt myself that these things I don't know. But when my friends even believed in me, that I could do these things, that was when it clicked that I am the problem. I mean, they give self that food job now. And I self that, because now human being, I mean, they give her food job. I went all out, jade ton. See, that is my slogan, jade ton. Don't send the result. What is it? This is real life. Forget the results. Focus on the process. Pay attention to the process. That is where you learn. You make mistakes. You pick yourself up. See, forget to self-doubt. Just whatever field you have, and you feel you are not confident enough, pay attention to the things people in your field are doing. Go on YouTube, learn things that will boost your confidence. I learned marketing. I learned how to set up ads. Because in my feed, Everywhere I work is marketing. I had to learn this thing. I had to have the idea. That's why I'm able to build this YouTube channel, do many things for myself, build my confidence. I learned how to shoot. I learned how to edit. I learned everything. I boost my confidence that if I go anywhere, they don't bore anybody well. I did everywhere. Everywhere in entertainment, I am everywhere. I made sure I gave Zelda what he deserved. But Jadeton, he was shocked now. Then that kid, the crazy. He was shocked. Ask him now. What you want to say? He was shocked what I did to him. So these things you can overcome it. Thank God for Pastor Balaji for helping that guy. Bro, I don't say anybody help me now. But I have friends that I was learning from them. I don't joke with my relationship with my friends. I don't joke with relationship with my friends. I have good friends that will support you, that will encourage you to do it, irrespective of this thing. Friends that will encourage you to do things that you yourself don't believe you could do.